When you first view the search results, the number of choices may seem overwhelming. Start by reviewing the products themselves. Eliminate any listings that are not the type of item you want to sell. For example, if I am interested in silicone chapstick holders with keychains, I ignore listings for bulky cosmetic organizers or unrelated accessories and focus only on the compact silicone designs made specifically to carry chapsticks or lipsticks. Another important factor is the number of years the supplier has been active on Alibaba. I recommend only considering those with at least 3 years of experience. This information is shown on each listing. Also, take note of the supplier's overall rating, which is scored out of 5 stars, very similar to customer reviews you see on Amazon. Beyond the basics, it is important to study the product, spotlights, and features closely. For instance, this chapstick holder is a fashionable, waterproof lipstick sleeve pouch made from 100% silicone material. It is suitable for chapsticks of different sizes and small cosmetics, making it versatile for daily use. The customizable color and logo options make it ideal for branding, while the silicone strap allows it to attach to backpack hooks, tote bag handles, or travel bag buckles, increasing its practicality for outdoor and travel use. Next, pay attention to the customization flexibility the supplier offers. This supplier allows logo or graphic design on a minimum order of only 10 pieces and customized packaging also from just 10 pieces, which is unusually low and very attractive for beginners testing small orders. They also provide minor customization, drawing-based customization, sample-based customization, and even full customization. These options allow you to scale from simple branding to more advanced product modifications as your business grows. Checking the supplier highlights is equally important. This company has been on Alibaba for 5 years, is located in Foshan, Guangdong, China, and operates both as a manufacturer and a trading company. They mainly export to the United States, Taiwan, and France. With a positive review rate of 96.1%, an on-time delivery rate of 97.2%, and an average response time within 3 hours, they show strong performance. They have 65 staff members, 25 patents awarded, and total online revenue of over $240,000 United States dollars. These details help you confirm their credibility and experience. You should also take note of product variations. In this example, the supplier offers 3 color options: khaki, purple, and green. Although small, these details matter because having variations gives you the chance to test what sells best in your market. Finally, never ignore the protections offered by Alibaba for each supplier. This includes secure payments with SSL encryption, a standard refund policy for missing or defective products, and even compensation of 10% if your order is delayed past the scheduled date. By carefully evaluating these details in every listing, you can shortlist only those suppliers who provide both strong products and reliable service.